Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start this review, let's talk about what do I have to offer, because these products for which I'm doing the review, these products will come and go and will do nothing to you. So you'll probably not make money with any of that thing which you buy in $17-20, okay? So I'll do the review in a moment. Just give me a couple of minutes. So when you come down below my YouTube video, you have these links. Okay, so I'm going to share my personal things which makes me money, the real money I'm talking about, not the shiny objects which you keep buying every day in $17-20. Okay, so below the video I have some links, useful links for you if you want to make real money. Okay, if you want to make that money in dreams, that I will buy some machine in $20 and I will start making money while I sleep, then you can leave this video and you can keep dreaming. Okay, you don't have to be awake for dreaming, you can go back to sleep. But if you want to make real money online, because I have been making these videos for a number of years now, okay, you can go on my channel and you can see how many videos I have made. For example, if I come back and show you, this is not the first time I'm doing this. This is my channel, and come back here in my playlist, okay, and you will see I have done these reviews in the past. So this one showing 1611 videos. Okay, so I did these reviews 4 years ago, then I left it and then I changed my field to forex trading. As you can see here, these forex trading videos, so I have done it, and that's why I'm talking about what I am telling you right now. So come back here, and the first link is swing like a pro. So what does it mean? It's for people who wants to make money in trading. Okay, so when you click on the first link below, you will come to this page right here, and then you can see these short videos. Each video is like 2-3 minutes long. You click on them, you play, and you see how you can make money in swing trading or forex trading. Okay, there are plenty of videos and many more will be updated. This is the proof to show you my knowledge and how this works. Okay, so if you are interested in learning trading or making money with forex trading, even if you're a newbie, you have no idea what's going on here, if you plan to join this program, I'll give you full training, how to set up the account, how to take trades, stuff like that, even if you're a newbie. Okay, this program is mainly for people who are already into trading. They want my setups, my trades, buy and sell and book profits. But if you don't know anything about trading, you can still get this, and I will walk you through in the videos how to exactly join which broker, how to take trades, so you will know once you go through the trading. Okay, so this is method number one, which I personally also do, and you can see here these are my charts. Okay, so it's not something I'm just telling you randomly, blah blah blah. I am doing this personally as well. Okay, so the first link is trading. If you have the money to invest and you can take some risk means that be ready to lose money. That's part of the game. That doesn't mean I'm saying you will lose all the time, but that's part of the part of the gig. You have to be ready mentally. Okay, so if you want to make money in trading, you can try this program. Second link is make money on YouTube like me, so you can come and make YouTube videos. Okay, and especially this traffic Jarvis program will help you to make money using this YouTube monetization. Okay, so for example, if your channel gets monetized by YouTube, if you have like 500 to 1000 subscribers and 3-4 thousand watch hours, which is not easy to get in the last 1 year, then you can get your channel monetized. Okay, so this traffic Jarvis, you can see here, you can make money using videos. Okay, so if you make money, people watch the ads on your videos, you can make money, and you can sell in your, you can sell something in your YouTube videos. As you can see, you can get sales. Okay, you can get sales here, you can get sales there. You can see everything, all the proofs are right there. So I have made this kind of money using YouTube only. If you want to make money using free YouTube traffic and you wanna know how to start on YouTube totally for free, then go and get this program. I'm sharing these methods to you because I have implemented them, used them in my entire personal online life. Okay, so you can go for swing trading if you have the money. If you can go for YouTube, learn YouTube yourself, get it monetized within a month, and in the program you will learn everything how to do this. And the third link is about email marketing, get 100 email leads per day. So if you click here, you will come to this page. You can watch this video before joining, and this will give you 100 email leads per day, and also the system within the within this program. So you will have the autoresponder and you will get 100 leads every day, and you can send emails to them once per day. and you can sell them anything you want. Okay, so you can sell any offer of your choice to these 100 leads, or you can sell this system itself to these 100 leads. Okay, so you have everything covered, and if I show you if that works or not, so you can see this is the system. 100 leads per day, I have been making money with this. Just check this out. Okay, check this out, check this out, check this out. It does work. Okay, whatever I'm showing you, I personally have made money with it. It's not some gimmick. And also, this will not make you rich. This 100 leads program will not make you rich, but if you want extra 200 $300 per month, it's a good thing. Okay, because if you see, my last sale came on 22nd of May 2026, and it's reoccurring. Okay, it's, you see here, last month, this month, before that, so it's reoccurring commissions, profits. Once you make a sale, you get commissions every month, and I have been getting this from number of years. Okay, so this is what I wanted to, this is what I wanted to share with you before I do the review. So if you like till now what you see, then subscribe, like, and share the video. Make sure you check out these programs, because these programs which I'm talking about are made by me only. Okay, so the top two programs are mine, the third one is not mine. So if you want to do trading and work with me, go and click the first link and watch these videos to understand what is going on here, what is my knowledge, if you should work with me or not. Go check this out. And then second link is about to make money on YouTube. If you want to get your YouTube channel monetized, get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours within a month, go and get this traffic Jarvis and make money with the YouTube free traffic. Okay, and if you want to get 100 leads per day and make commissions like I have shown you right here, then go and click the third link and come and go and join this program and make recurring commissions. All right, that's it. So go and join this program. And now let's talk about this product for which I'm going to do the review. And one more thing, guys, if you want something for free, then you can get this free bonus lifetime email responders. So you can click on this link and you can join my email list. Make sure whether you buy anything or not, doesn't really matter. You go and join my email list, click on this link and enter, click on continue after that, and then enter your email and the name, and then you will be getting a free lifetime email autoresponder as well, okay, as a bonus. So go and check out these things and also join my free email list, the last link here. And then let's talk about and do the review now. All right, guys, let's do this universal AI review. So right now we are on their sales page. And before we talk about anything, you can see the discount right at the top, which is important for you. So use this coupon code MID2026 if you want to get maybe 30% off, maybe $3 off. Okay. So go and get this coupon code, and you will find the link below my YouTube video of the sales page. It will be saying grab a universal AI copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page where you can come and use this coupon code if you plan to buy this. So it says here, are you ready for 2026 or will you be left behind? World's first universal AI app that allows you to search and unlock any AI model in the world and access it with just one click from one dashboard. Finally, access ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Runaway, ML, Leonardo AI, Dell E, Pika Labs, and rest you can read everything. Okay, so the sales page is unnecessarily very lengthy. Okay, and I just have to get rid of the sales page. And now let's get to some questions. Do you need some experience? Absolutely not. Do I need to purchase anything else? Absolutely not. Any monthly cost? Depends. If you act now, what if I failed? Blah, blah, and blah. How long does it take to make money? Somebody made money on their first day. That's bullshit. How can I get started? Blah and blah. Okay. So I'll show you quickly the demo video, what they're selling, and then you can decide if you want to buy this or not. Making money is not the job of any software at all. A software might do something for you. For example, if you create content using AI, using ChatGPT, then the job of the software was only to create the content. That's it. Software didn't say that, oh, you're going to make money with my content. If you make money by selling it somehow, then that's good. That's your expertise of selling it, okay? Because you got the traffic to your offer. But job of the software was never to make money for you. For example, if you hire me to record a YouTube video for you, then you pay me to record your YouTube video. Now, if that video will bring sales to you or not, that's not my job. Okay, I hope you understand. So software only does does a task which it is supposed to do. Will you make money with any software or not? That's not the job of the software. Okay. So let's play the demo video for you, which is like 3 minutes long. And in the demo video, you can see what's going on here. And there you go. I have muted the video because I can't play the sound because my YouTube channel is monetized. So I have to mute the sound and just see what they're talking about here. So they're saying something to do with AI models. I'm gonna take a nap in this, I guess, for 3 minutes while you watch this video. Hmm. So you can give your voice command here, or you can type it manually using your fingers. So you can see what you can do here. You can do like voice cloning, AI voice over, website funnel builder, funnel creator. Lot of things you can do. Everything is in front of you. I want to create chatbots, so you can create some virtual chatbots too for the website or for your clients' websites. For 1 minute more. So I guess the concept is that you use these AI services and then you sell them or do something with it and make money, right? So yeah, it does programming for you. It does, create AI bots for you. It does, it gives you all the AI features, and you can use this to create software, whatever you want to create, images or some content, some courses, some ebooks. You can create using this dashboard using the AI. Obviously, it's in a one-time cost as per them, and you can sell those things and you can make money, right? That's all theory. So software is just responsible for creating these AI bots and images and this and that, and the content obviously. After that, what you do with those images with that content, that's not the job of the software. So we are done with the demo video. You have seen everything, and now it's your decision to go and buy this. Okay, so you will find the link of the sales page below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab universal AI copy here. Click on that link, come to the sales page, use the coupon code and buy the software and use it as your AI multi-purpose needs. Okay. However, in case you want to just make money in simple ways, then you can go back to my beginning of the video where I told you either you can get into trading and I can teach you. You can join my mentorship program. You have seen that link below, the first link, I guess, Swing Like a Pro. And if you want to make money on YouTube, just like me, then you can join that Traffic Jarvis, make money on YouTube. Or if you want to do email marketing, send emails and get sales, 100 leads per day, then join that program, okay? Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.